it's a good thing that it's a smart home expo, because normally when you have exhibitions, very rarely does it touch on home.
We have participated in this exhibition for home automation, and we feel that it has been a wonderful decision for GM to come here, because the kind of response and the kind of people that have come in are so product specific, so field specific. It has been a real eye opener for us, and we feel that this has become one of its kind exhibition.
I'm going to talk smart homes in India, making them a reality.
It's a very pleasure for us to be here at Smart Home Expo.
We are showcasing our IoT range of products here, the luxury lighting control Vantage, the video door phone systems, and neat products. Yes, of course, one of the kind of events where probably the more of smart products are involved in.
This is really one of the finest shows, and it's been an amazing experience. The day one was fabulous.
So as a whole company, SnapAV and Control4 got merged in the month of August, and we are launching SnapAV products in India soon.
Could make your life more convenient from the moment you walk in the door.
Alexa, turn on welcome.
Okay. With Control4 Home Automation and Amazon Alexa, control your entire home.
We have practically displayed all the range of products that we do. We represent 14 international brands in the Indian market in the AVC spectrum.
This is RTI control system. It's a 24-year-old company, very well used for your smart home controls, your BMS controls.
Vivek here from Samsung. We are here at Smart Home Expo for the first time, and we are actually representing standards body or IoT standards consortium called as Open Connectivity Foundation.
We have a wired version which is based on the open protocol, that is KNX, and this is available in various different features of switches which we promote to the market, the aesthetically beautiful looking switches, the touchscreen, and certainly the actuators and the back-end devices which are necessary for to automate a home.
The Smart Home Expo for the second time, and it has been going great with us. First time we had kept a small stall, but where we got very good response, and this is the second time where we have expanded.
Smart Home Expo as something I found is an excellent platform to launch a lot of products in the Indian market.
Smart Home Expo has been great. I think it is quite surprising that so many people came in, and the show response has been great.
I once again thank the Smart Home Expo organizers, exhibitors. You know, that's a beautiful show here.
This show has been pretty nice for us to be here because a number of system integrators, traders, and people that really know the industry are here to actually become a part of our ecosystem where we can go out and sell these products to them.
Very happy to be at Smart Home Expo here. This expo has been giving us a lot of insights into how the Indian consumer behavior is, how the Indian real estate behavior is. I hope coming years will be very fruitful for the Smart Home Expo.
And I'm very excited to be here in Smart Home. I'm looking at here the kind of buzz, kind of people, the kind of footfalls this show has. It's really commendable.
The Smart Home Expo, it's been a wonderful experience with us.
where we are actually showcasing our home automation products and solutions out here. We look forward to actually working with Expo more in future.
This event was a complete success for us with respect to the footfalls.
As far as the Expo is, this is our second time we are going with Smart Home Expo, and as usual the response has been great. We are overwhelmed with the crowd that we are getting.
This platform has really helped us to connect with various stakeholders in this industry vertical, be it the distributors, architects, builders.
I would say it is 100% growth when compared to last year or in the month of May. It's like the size is doubled, the stalls are doubled. It's great going.
My heartiest congratulations to Sandeep and the entire team of Smart Home Expo. I think they have put up a wonderful show. I have been to every stall more or less, and I think everyone is very happy with the outcome of this show.
Coco is an interoperable system that works with Zigbee, Z-Wave and Bluetooth low energy devices. Smart Home Expo was fantastic. We actually, it far exceeded our expectation. We haven't had time to sit down. The number of footfalls, the number of audience members who've come interacted with us, just fantastic.
To Smart Home Expo, it's a very good experience for us. We got very good audience coverage. Like we got target our audience directly visiting to our stall, letting to know our home automation, what is what, and all the stuff.
We have been doing automation since 5.5 years, and we plan to associate with Smart Home Expo even going further. We have had a really good experience with Smart Home Expo.
So we have been participating. I think this is our second participation in the event. Last Mumbai also visited, and the response has been pretty good.
When we heard about this expo last year, we visited in World Trade Center, and at that time we really thought that we should participate in this, and I'm glad that we did, because we got quite a few good customers yesterday to close it.
Very nice to see was an initiative where they had an awards, Smart Living Awards, wherein they were felicitating and appreciating work done by the industry for the technology.
I think, let me tell you something about the Expo first. This is the second edition of the Smart Home Expo, and I think the organizers have done a very great job. Full marks to Sandeep and his team. We got tremendous response yesterday. I think we have finished our brochures, almost all of them yesterday. We just had a few left for today. So this was actually unanticipated, and I saw the same thing with other people. They have run out of brochures.
Smart Home Expo, we have participated for the first time, and I think this is a very good platform for everybody to come and understand how the technology works. So this is one of the best way, the way it has been organized and the promotion has been done.
We are stand for affordable and reliable home automation. So we are in the business since 5 years, and we installed more than 3,000 homes pan-India.
We're very excited about the turnout. We've had lots of people come meet us, show some excitement. We're very happy with the event.
Smart Home Expo, this is our second edition. We were part of the first edition in Mumbai also, and I would especially has to thank Sandeep and his team. We have got very good response in both times.
Our entire home, the way of we live, is all revolving today around the smart home and the smart home technology that's happening with respect to entertainment, security, access, and so on. This is a wonderful experience I actually had here, coming here for the first time.